I absolutely friggin' love this hoodie. Like, it zips right up. How cool is that? Yo, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm gonna talk to you about why your lighting sucks. I'm just kidding. I actually don't know. Your lighting might be like beautiful, gorgeous. You might have a picture window with like 24/7 sunlight. Stick around because I'm gonna show you how to make your videos 100 times better with a few $100. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis, and I usually film unboxing videos of cool things that I get from Amazon that relate to photography and filmmaking. I also share some tutorials with Adobe Premiere Elements, and if I go somewhere cool, I'm definitely going to vlog about it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Alright, so I really don't know if your lighting sucks or not. It might be absolutely gorgeous, but I'm going to show you today how to make your videos 100 times better for a few $100s. We'd love to have that perfect scenario of a studio with glass walls everywhere and natural sunlight. If you've got something like that, that is absolutely perfect. Stop watching this video right now, and yeah, we'll see you later. Wait. Not everybody has that perfect scenario with beautiful natural sunlight all the time. There's such a thing as a cloudy day, or maybe you have to film at nighttime, or maybe your room has no windows at all, or maybe you're like me and you have all of the scenarios. I actually film in my basement bar, which used to be a root cellar, so I have zero natural light, and I film at nighttime because that's when everybody else is asleep and I have time to do it. So if you don't have that perfect scenario, you're going to want to watch this video, and I'm going to show you how you can dramatically improve your videos, make them 100 times better for a couple $100. So the lighting system that I chose for my studio is made by Neewer. It is a kit that comes with 2 stands, 2 lights, and 2 carrying cases. There's a couple reasons that I chose to go with this kit. First off, it comes with 2 stands, which is absolutely awesome. They're completely adjustable up to about 8 feet high. I'll confirm and put the specs below. The lights that I chose actually come with shutters, so I can direct the light where I want it using the shutters, which is absolutely amazing. And the greatest part about these lights is they are a bi-color LED. What that means is that there's 2 different LED bulbs inside the light panels. There is a cool blue and a warm yellow. When you combine these 2 colors together, you get the most natural light, almost like a sunlight. And the great part about these units is they actually have an LCD display on the back that you can totally dial in the actual Kelvin number color of the light. You can then go into the white balance of your camera and set that color, Kelvin, to match the exact same color that you're using with your LED panels. So this makes for a super easy setup and absolutely perfect white balance using the same settings on your camera that's found on the back panel of these LED lights. Another great feature with these lights, which I actually haven't had to use yet, is the portability. They can be battery powered. They actually take 2 of the more popular Sony NP550 and I think NP970 batteries. I'll write it here what batteries they take, but I'll also put a link in the description below if portability is something you're looking for. They do also come, of course, with the 12-volt adapter, so you just pop that in the back, plug it into the wall, and away you go. On the back controls, you have your color adjustment that controls the blue and yellow LEDs to give you the balance. You also have the ability to dim them. If you don't need them on full power, you can just dim them down a little bit so that they're not crazy bright. So here's a little example of what my videos used to look like before I got this lighting setup. So as you can see, they were dark, they were hard to see, there wasn't as much detail, and you didn't get that kind of depth of field that you get with a nice set of lights. So if you want to make your videos 100 times better for a couple $100, head down below, click on that link, and get yourself a set of these Neewer bi-color, variable, adjustable, absolutely awesome LED lights for your studio setup. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below, smash that like button, and until next time, take it easy out there.